Where is your one? Here for no one. Job will say, Sanka many more to be sick as well. And come grab sick every Miss Sanka Mayade. I come many more to be one for sure. And come grab sick every Miss Bible was in John chapter 19, verse 14 over. Or say, my bush your father to move by chichi. One number 3 if you ain't coming, ending you. May you report, actually, my home. Yabu Job, Ama Job, and your restoration. And the bond that was between him and then Yakobo. It's a brand new and that's a young Yakobo, young woman, young quite blossom. Or so about a certain body being 2 for the day, but mid year, meaning some different day. That's Job 19:25. For I know that my Redeemer lives because Job had a strong bond with his maker. Job had a strong bond with God. That no matter what happened, no matter what I go through, man may forget me, my God may forget about me, but the Lord, that is my bond. And what there many was a permanent there. It happened to David. Papa won't call me a friend. So that's why we are not Yakopon, our kitchen. Only Yakopon, our pam. It was Yakopon, Pebby, or be not lie, you know, when you share. Emma, and a pay wouldn't pay a pama. Nipper by shell, but the same nipper will bring it down. Your Bantam constituency. Nipper lay empty. That's what the same nipper national died. Get enough of hope. But when God put you there, no man born of flesh and blood can bring you down. They tried, even Satan himself, to bring Job down. But the moment they tried to bring you down, the moment left out. They tried to bring Job down. But none of them said, you are the Lord opportunity to bring the Pharisees and Job out. Bible said there was a long war between the house of Job and the house of Saul and the house of David. While the house of Saul goes down, the house of David, they grew stronger and stronger because it was God who elected David, and men can never bring him down. Nipa empty funny and from that because of Yakupon the Epeja. Yankai bibi our first Samuel. Since you want more, Biam, why I was saying him day, the Munu Eradi. You Munu Eradi, I want to send you. You Munu Eradi, one in the Yamu. You Munu Eradi, I want not to you. Then the Mumo, then the Crom for you. Now, say the Yanni, the Ashom and Yakupon, baby. For this, in this, I, the Lord, am delight in. That is Jeremiah chapter 9, verse 24. Also, the Yamu, never Yakupon, menu wom, menu kum, the Ashom and me. First Samuel chapter 18, verse 3 and 4. Or see, then Jonathan made a covenant with David because he loved him as his own life. Number 1. So bet when you put when you pama, I just saw dumb. The says, yes, you said, I'm ready to be away there so powerful. Also, they were doing Yakopon, one day, and it will be not to Yako Sade. The Yayati and Brebi Ayade. Whom to me any obi and call upon for brown dolly. When you don't love someone, that means you don't trust the person. Obi, I won't trust it if you want to be no far from that. Your name for upon because we trust them and we love them. And the Bible said, Jonathan, despite this one, he said, David's eye was in the throne. Yet he made a covenant with him. Only David, also if he said, no, come. He loved David more than the throne. But what we see these days, people love money more than God. Only part of Sika, actually, Yakupon, and Yakupon, and Quapon. Yet I don't sika yedi eche bebrebe no will fail us because money has wings like bird. Bible says sika or tapete sa ma etumi tu ya den e ko. Ti Jonathan munyansa say papa we debi onyame be hia enti ba me fa mo nkobo no sa da che mi niwa we etumi aye me ma ene me chifo adoye. He saw the future. Omundachi etinu ebra ne papa po enwuru the future. We know what the potential that is in David. No one to be in David and Pam. He made up his mind to kill him. He died before David. Oh, we answer David. Verse 4. And Jonathan stripped himself of the robe that was on him and gave it to David and his armor, even his sword, his bow, and his girdle. Then what do we see? You must show people potential. Instead of us to help the person, what we do is that we bring the person down. You must show people presidential ambition. What we do is that we try to kill his potential presidential ambition, political ambition, because he's going to be the future MP. We have to do all sorts of things, blackmail, destroy the person, make credibility, so that we are saying that no sooner person or to be as much as we have destroyed one another, trying to say, yeah, man, you can do that, maybe your person. Now, what's saying? The same thing will also be destroyed. What's one can do what that? But Jonathan, the love that he had for David, he realized that David was coming from desert. And David took their shot to tear on home. David needed better weapon for war. Only tire. The Bible said, "Na tara roya atadie no hye on roid ma David. Na amo as a royal amo okura na kodie na eye ahemfo akodie no o send the man David come because of God David so noa. Today what do we see? We backbite one another. Whenever we see potentials in people, we are called back to say to you, man, for commission and you know, through man, for consumer branasia, they be obedient. This was what happened to Saul. Bible said the moment Saul heard, said, man, to him, Saul, a thousands, but David, a 10,000. Bible said, one of the David can say, hey, Saul can say, hey, I go away, my shall say, see him if you are here for ma. Or do for Maya Shashi, Sakwa, man, didn't through what? David, we are coming to put him in. First, after the soul started to say, all 10 days, trying to bring him down, blackmail him, defy him, destroy him. But the Yameshan would destroy the dark. Johnny Yamiwa Pamano would destroy the dark. But Jonathan, Natalia man, and they are one for you. Sikeni, quiet the Juma. Why do you contract? And I saw the more contract. Those who yes, get a baby. Now, the year to Papa, no, I fall by day. Because by day, they be of course got better the lady, and who yet know their work, know their bread down. So the more contract is out. Sika Cassiana, and saw the mouth. No to me, says he can't hear, not to the Papa. Now, what you jump for piece of people, what destroy Sikanamo. Because one person that will be do. The same thing happened to our lawyers and our doctors. Yashada, you are the straight and uncommit their profession to say, hey, so when you wait from way to here, you forward Memuta, you will perform more talented to be doctors and lawyers. But because of the great limit, you have to cutting it through. Because your sister, Papa, bad doctors, professionally good to say teaching. Cannot doctor for one. We are teacher, we are lawyer for one. Teachers, no, we are the most powerful. We are teacher, community, so we don't want teacher. How that teacher is reverend. Jerry got to get your poor every day, get the man. Having to become a teacher. But then be a one, you person for teachers. You be a man that the teaching and the quasi, professional and the quasi. I don't know Dr. Fonso said, and you guys are cutting. Now last year, people who pass a young pass a say about Dr. Yakan Law. Deliberately, I said that fellow coffee because I see a cutting. No, ma'am. We maintain our dignity. Go to Cuba. Every home there is a doctor. Every home there is a doctor. It is how pull him down syndrome. I am one in part. You have potentials in people. You have to be warm. You have to say you have killing their potential. Ghana, we have killed several potentials. I remember I could have to only tonight. I could have the 12 years. 1, 2, 3 economic kind. ABC economic kind. Or what be middle ground yesterday. You have to call school now, so I'm going to you have to tell the BBA. You have to go to school. I said that. Now me go school. Saturday I finish. I will 51 over here. Into one go school. Or better next year. Now watch the 50 year. The 50 you know go school. Then I could not go. Now Miss Wong, I be very sure. And check. No one offer. US Ohio. You have been proud. I couldn't have a chair number 5, right? I said, Papa, no offer. I said, I would need to go out of chair. I could die. I could not be 2. Want to become ABC. Want to become 1, 2, 3 up to 30. I could die. I go Ohio. I go school. I buy a nurse. I'm there. I could die at Ohio hospital. I'm a could to be a few up a best day. Our Islam. I could find my if you grass in Nakoti. So we're gonna have and keep back the pieces and go. We are afraid of 50 hours of 200. Or no, and go there, when they come and sit down. I'm an army. And you can imagine that number of these people, such people in Ghana, in our nation, and they are killing their potentials. They have destroyed their potentials. I know one person said, okay, look, I say, they know in great money, I want to inform my doctor. They papa for the go and they were back. Wako put one great doctorate and my doctor can see and the one can be on one doctor in the hospital. We are killing penny for him. Couldn't buy out here because one day all person the Bible do and for that never do hobby. Not the Bianca, yes, a massa, yes, a massa, yes, a massa. We are killing potentials, but Jonathan and Yasa was Nathan and the man David. What the name? Now, could you at the man David? I said, because of God, David is in the crowd. Our leaders, they do not love Ghana. They don't have this nation at heart. Because if they have this nation at heart, and can no one hear and come on yet? And come on yet? Now, Yakosu. Jonathan and Duo, and that's one fast walk. Jonathan said, and the Bible said, and Jonathan continued to reaffirm his covenant, his vows with David once again in 1 Samuel chapter 19 verses. 1 Samuel chapter 19 verses. So heeded Jonathan and swore, as the Lord lives, David shall not be slain. Verse 7. So Jonathan called David and told him all these things. And Jonathan brought David to Saul, and he was in his presence as in times past. Verse chapter 20, verse 1. In Ramah, David fled from Naoth in Ramah and came and said to Jonathan, what have I done? Or of what am I guilty? What is my sin before your father that he seek my life? Jonathan said, God forbid, you shall not die. My father does nothing great or small, but what he tells me. And why should he hide these things from me? It is not so. Bible says, I'm not sure. David will say, so person come on. Now David got it free sword. It was this same Jonathan who took David and brought him to his father again. You perceive, say, let Papa pursue come on, say, Papa never be your wrong country. What can you have? You put him now. I did be a better, a poor be a better son of Papa ever. Remember, you was today. Jonathan quiet. Now the Papa will say, you have a ship David in now. Then you get more back. But you're better than Kumo. The Bible said, Jonathan did not get because of what David had here. So, my Papa said, the old candy and a prayer of the soul. It's your boy, I see the member. What the baby said, you could do your one. I say, then we say, Paul, test of the Kuma, met 2 hours and that's for just a gun. Said, I don't ever told anyone, not just a Brenner, I'm being woman on your head. The problem to the man there as a saw. I am for full and more science. What a good answer of Papa on the ability. No, got 2 hours money to David, or see David can call and marry Papa. That's all. A bra saw this and the baby Nathan, as shall see to the David when you live. But the baby Nathan is a way of being we should be not so Mammy Subai, and I will turn on swap for Mammy Subai. Who did say, but don't want what will Tiasian, who know what he did on Enginana, go for the better than Kuno. The baby told you. David, came to a point because of David. The Papa fought the whole army of Israel. You told them say yes for David. My David fearful, you will be a pen, David, over time. David contact our base and say, your power won't. So I be pronounced no milk, but maintain the event, your Papa wine. So, yeah, oh, we Jonathan, we but what happened? Because of the bond between Jonathan and David. Saul started saying, is there anyone in the house of David, in the house of Saul, for Jonathan's sake? Is there anyone in the house of Saul for Jonathan's sake? For Saul's sake, for Jonathan's sake. And so what we afterward, David Saul fear. Meant to me, I am not going. And now Jonathan in tea. Because of the strong bond that was between Jonathan and David. Yes, Papa Yasa, Papa and Sign. Sabuya Papa. Now I do your final. Well, just what better that. Well, none of me just what. The Galatians say, my young Papa Yam. That's a young Papa Yam. You be just what. Eh, be a young then a woman just what. Eh, be a none of you. Just today, Papa. I will pay if we have somebody so we put the same pole and to be in the young woman and your pump. I want to be royal dressing and the man. No man, I could get come home. If a poor point as I could everyone will be out there. Not another shower. And me as we train up with them who buy a man compared to me. Then how much more God? Some person in a coupon, Pama. A poor bay, not on some papa or your coupon under the VL child. Bible said the Lord God shall surely do nothing without revealing to his servants the prophet. Not only his prophet, but anybody. Bible so your coupon the Lucas here, and chief for yourself for them. So your coupon the day, a bit of one of Makuma day. One of Makuma day. I don't pay what come away. For your body, one Makuma. Some person, what your coupon, Papa, Pama would do upon one thing. Now we offer me in town that. Now observers will continue to be worried. At time for on my house, as we are now, and now a pama at the one day when you move. When you made a pump craft for, or did not pump so children less a wooden war. When you make a Kyle, when not know David. And now David a pama on the quality. When you make a Kai David Nasifo. You tell me what the book of Psalm, number 4 Psalm and brave here. The book of Psalm. Psalm 132, verse 1 to 5. Psalm 132,